What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a BMW 7 Series started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 BMW 7 Series in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message on the dash saying vehicle key missing. So what we need to do is grab our key fob, and if we take a look on the right hand side of the steering column, we see this icon of a key right here. So what I'm going to do is hold my key on that icon like that, and then I'm going to press the brake in and the stop start button. And now you'll be able to drive as normal. And you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.